Step 11. Copy the formula from G5 all the way down the range G6 through G11. We'll take our autofill handle after we've clicked in cell G5 and fill our values down the column. We now have our monthly payments, and our young man who's going to be paying out over 3 years will be paying about $22.90 a month. That's the end of step 11. Step 12. Apply accounting number format to the range G5 through G11. So I would click G5 and drag it down to G11, and it looks like we already have accounting, but it's more of a currency. Excel knew you were doing payments and it returned a dollar symbol, but since we're going for accounting to have our decimals lined up and our dollar symbols on the left, we come to the Home tab, to the Number panel, and click Accounting and Save. And that is the end of Step 12. Step 13. Calculate totals in cell C12, which is right here. And I'm going to hit my Control key. And cell E12 and cell G12. By holding the Control key, I could actually do all three calculations at once. I'm going to come up to Auto Sum on the Home panel. It can also be found in the Formulas panel right here. I'm going to go back to my Home panel though. I'm going to click the signal right on the front. It will sum all three up. Look, I have hashtags, so I need to double click so we can see between those columns and save. That's the end of Step 13. Step 14. Apply number formatting to cells C12. I'm going to click C12. I'm going to hold my Control key. I'm going to click E12 and still holding my Control key, and I'm going to click G12. Now I'm going to come up to the Home tab, Number panel, and I'm going to make sure that I have accounting formatting selected. And now my dollar signs are on the left, and I have two decimals. I will save, and that's the end of Step 14. Step 15. Set a 0.3 left and right margin to ensure that the page prints on one page. When I do this, I go to Page Layout, I go to Margins, and then I come down to Custom Margins. We won't be changing all top, left, bottom, and right margins, only the left and right. Go to Custom Margins, and over here you can see, you can click your left and right margins, but there's not an exact 0.3. So we literally need to erase and type 0.3 for our, 0.3 for our left margin and 3/10 for our right margin. Now that's exactly what we need for margins, but we're going to go on to Step 16, and in Step 16 it's going to ask us for a custom footer. So I'm going to stay on the Page Setup dialog box, and then I'm going to go and add a custom footer. I'm going to go to the third tab. I'm going to click Custom Footer, and it asks me to do 3 sections. On the left section, I type my first and last name. I hit the Tab button. In the center section, it asks me to find the sheet name, which happens to be the third icon away from the right side. And then I'm going to hit Tab, and it asks me to insert the file name. It actually looks like a miniature icon Excel, and so I'm going to click that and click OK. You'll get a print preview seeing your first and last name, the name of your sheet name, and the name you saved your document as. Click OK, and that's the end of Step 16. Now, Step 17, we are asked to save the workbook close Excel, and submit to my IT lab for grading. I'm going to click Save, and we're done. Do your best.